PEAK Optics beam wiper blades are a premium addition to any vehicle. This brief video will take you step by step through their installation on vehicles with 22mm push-button wiper arms. Before you begin, you'll need to determine the size of the wiper arm with a ruler, or by trying to push a penny into the end of the arm. If you have a 22mm arm, and for this install you do, the penny will fit firmly. If you have a 19mm arm, it will not fit. First, remove the pre-attached adapter by pinching the tab on both sides of the adapter. Slide the adapter backwards until it unlocks from the wiper blade. Lift off to remove and discard the adapter. Next, locate the base adapter and align the arrow on the adapter with the arrow on the wiper blade. Position the base adapter at an angle and push it forward. The base adapter is installed properly when the second arrow on the adapter is aligned with the lock symbol. Now, find the adapter labeled 3H2. Install the 3H2 adapter by aligning the center of the adapter with the U-hole in the base adapter and snap down into place. Make sure that the wings on the adapter are folded forward so they are locked into place at the front of the adapter. With the wiper arm in the upright position, insert the back end of the adapter into the wiper arm opening. Take note, the button in the middle of the adapter must lock into the hole in the top of the wiper arm. But just to be certain you've installed the blade properly, give it a firm tug to make sure it's securely attached. Lastly, if there is a protective cover over the rubber, slide it off the wiper blade and that's it. You're done. Simply repeat these steps for the second blade and you're all set. Ready to easily wipe away the elements with your new PEAK Optics wiper blades.